Hey Steve, my name is Don Cunningham. In this video, I want to show you three things that you can do to increase your online visibility and bring more customers to your business through your website. I do this because I find that many times business owners are too busy running their business that, uh, and they don't have time to explore all the ways the internet can help them with their website. The three things I wanted to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing is the backlinks. I'm sorry, the first thing is content. Um, I have your homepage up here. Taking a look at it. Content is anything on the homepage, including pictures and words. But when Google is optimizing a website, what it's using is the words. So now you can have words behind pictures. So and they also and Google also fully optimize the website, it needs to have a minimum of 1,500 words on the home page. I did a count of the words on your home page. You had 1,592, so you should be in a good place as far as optimization is concerned. But also you want to have keywords in your content that will be used in searches that will cause your site to be found. So we can talk a little more about that as well. Okay, this is the website of one of your top competitors. Now their website was found on the first page of a Google search. Take a look at their website and see their content. Okay, this is what they have on their homepage. Now, they do have 1,770 words on their homepage. Okay, this is a tool that I use called Ahrefs. And what that does is it's a paid tool, but what it does is it gives the background details that Google uses when it's optimizing websites. So on here we can see, as I mentioned before, you want to have keywords in your content that will be used in searches that are going to cause your site to be found. So now this is your competitor site in Ahrefs, and you can see here they're being optimized for 41 keywords. And it's also showing here they have 540 backlinks. Now what a backlink is another website linking back to your site online. And what that does is gives your site authority. And the more authority you have, the higher your ranking is going to be. So you, you see your competitors have 540 backlinks. What could be done here? We could see the exact keywords that are being used that are being optimized, and then we could use those same words in your content. And the same with backlinks. We could see exactly what sites are linking back to their site, and we could get those same sites to link back to your site. But then in addition to that, we could get even more uh, sites to link back to your site, which would also give you more authority. Okay, now this is your site in Ahrefs, and you're being optimized for 15 organic keywords. So we could up the word count. What we want to do here is we want to add more um, keywords in your content. Now, when we come to backlinks, you're actually out out in front already as far as your competitor is concerned. You already have 629 backlinks. The third thing I wanted to talk about is citation. Now, I have here the result of a Google search, and over here we have what we call our organic listing, and then over here we have our map section, which we also call the map pack. And this right here is the profile, the Google profile. And what the citation is your name, address, and phone number, um, which is also known as an app. So in the profile, you can see here, you can see the name, go down a bit here, and then you can see the address and the phone number down here. And that is your NAP. But the important thing about the NAP is you want to have that listed in online directories. Okay, now here's a chart showing some of the online directories that you can be listed in. So you recognize some of them. But in addition to these are the top ones. But then in addition to these, there are a couple of hundred other online directories that your NAP could be listed in. There's a site called Bright Local, and on that site, you can find out exactly what directories your competitor's citation is listed in, and then get match what match that for you. And in addition to that, we could get your map in even more directories, which is going to give your business more relevance in a Google optimization. Okay, well, that's it in a nutshell. Now, again, we went over content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 words of content on your homepage, which you do. And then want to include in that content, you want to include keywords that will be used in searches that will cause your site to be found. And then we went over backlinks. We want to have more backlinks than your competitor linking back to your site, which in this case you do. And then we went over citations. You want to have your citations listed in more directories than your competitor. And this is going to give your site more relevance. All these things pushing you up in the Google ranking. So now you can take these things that I showed you, and you can implement these things on your own, which is okay with me. However, if you want a quicker, more effective route, you can give me a call at 714-473-0269. Again, my name is Don Cunningham. The number is 714-473-0269. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. I look forward to hearing from you soon. You have a great day.